Okay, let's do an unboxing and startup video of the new generator A-iPower GXS1500i. Has a 1500 watt startup power and actually 1200 watt running power. So I guess the 1500 is more of a theoretical number. Okay, lots of cardboard, descriptions here, engine oil, and the actual generator. It is actually pretty lightweight. That's pretty nice. So they usually come without any oil. So I guess I'm gonna first have to put in some oil before I can do the startup. Looks pretty nice. The front here. Yeah, I'm gonna fill in some oil or read where to fill it in, and I just removed the maintenance cover, which is removable with just one screw. They say, and have a big warning label here, that they ship it without oil. And the oil infill is down there with a dipstick. But obviously there was a little bit of oil in it because it spilled out during shipping. So there's a little bit of a mess, but that's not a big problem. It comes with tools as well, just a screwdriver and a tool to remove the spark plug. Then it comes with this little funnel thing and engine oil, 400 milliliters, or what is that, for the 13.5 ounces. So I guess that all needs to go in there. I'll of course check with the dipstick that I don't fill in too much. So let's go to work. So when you unscrew the dipstick, you can actually screw in the funnel. It was a little bit of a hard thing to screw it in because there is a big burr on it. Not the best quality on the funnel. I hope the actual generator is better. And then we're going to fill in the oil. I'm going to fill in about half, then wait a moment, take the funnel out again to see with the dipstick how much we've actually got. Let's wait a moment and then check. So I waited a couple of minutes so that the oil would come, could run all the way down. Let's check with the dipstick what we've got. It's about half full. That means it needs the whole container of oil, 400 milliliters. So let's fill in the rest. So that's empty. Let's unscrew it again. Let's put the dipstick back in. A little bit messy, but that's always when you work with oil. So this should go back on. There we go. Mess on the new generator. Okay, so that's done. Now let's get some gas and fill it in here. So I filled in just about a quart, 1 liter. That should be good enough for testing now. So this one here has an on and off position. Let's turn that to on. Then here on the front there is a switch that needs to be on. Then we turn the gas on over here and put this on choke. Start, that's to the right. Okay, then we'll see what happens. On the first pull, that was really unexpected. That's a good sign. It's running good. Let me get a device that I can actually plug in. So I just got the old 500 watt lamp to plug in. But let's first test the low idle. So that's the low idle. And yeah, it does make it a little more silent. So let's plug this in and see what happens. This is 2 steps, 250 watts and 500 watts. Right now we're at 500. It works pretty well. Okay, let's shut it down. Let's unplug this first. And then shut it down. I have to say I'm very positively surprised that it came on the first pull, so far so good. So I opened the garage door to not die of carbon monoxide poisoning while doing this test here. So what I found so far is that when you switch from low idle to high idle, it changes the RPMs a little bit, but there doesn't seem to be an effect on the light. I don't see any change in how bright it is. And yeah, I'm so far really happy with it. Last generator I had was a Generac, which was surging fresh out of the box. It was really a piece of crap. But this one here, I'm really happy with it and can recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.